What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to Ben Travels TV. And coming up next, we head to the Krate at the Grove for some good food, family fun, and good music. You guys aren't going to want to miss this one. You got to stay tuned. All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified every time we drop a new video. All right, we are located in Wesley, Florida, which is a suburb just north of Tampa, Florida. We're off of State Road 54 and Interstate 75. We are at a shopping center called the Grove, where the Krate, as you can see there in front of me, is a centrally located shopping area within the Grove. These are shipping containers that were converted to retail stores and shopping. I've done a retail store shopping and dining, and I've done a video on this previously. You can see the link in the description, and I'll put a link up above. All right, you guys. So on Friday nights, Saturday nights, and certain nights, they have festivals, they have events. And me and my family, since we moved here to the beautiful state of Florida, we like to come here every so often, once in a while. I would say on a Friday or Saturday night when they have something going on. They have playgrounds for the kids, live music, and tons of restaurants. I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, so we are at Flipn Fries, and I heard nothing but great things about this restaurant on social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. They were getting rave reviews, so I had to try it once we came here to the Krate. Now, what me and my wife ordered was the honey garlic surf and turf. You can see in there grilled shrimp, carne asada steak, and honey garlic sauce. We also had a signature add-on with fried chicken pieces there as well. You have some cheddar cheese at the bottom with the French fries, which was absolutely delicious, guys. I would give this a 9 out of 10. It would have got a 10 out of 10 if the French fries were top notch, but the French fries weren't that great. But 9 out of 10 for Flipn Fries.
See, guys eating. What did you say, BK? And see, Julia?
All right, you guys, we are right outside of La Creacion Express, which is a Puerto Rican food spot here, and they have the live music going with the DJ, and they had the Krate popping. All right, and we got the tripleta, which is a ham, pork, and usually steak, but this one had chicken, and they put a little mayo, a little mustard in there. Absolutely delicious, guys. We are having a blast at the Krate in Wesley Chapel, Florida.
Here's the best part.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video at the Krate at the Grove in Wesley Chapel, Florida. We have done a video here before, just driving through, showing you guys what it looks like. And tonight we gave you guys the experience of what it's like being at the Krate when they have a lot of live music, a lot of things going on for the kids and family. Like, share, subscribe. I truly appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.